Are you looking to create income immediately? As with many platforms, you won't make a huge income using YouTube straight away. It takes time to build up your audience and reputation. So, if you're expecting a large paycheck next week, then you need to find another source of income. If, on the other hand, you can be patient and spend the necessary time building up your channel, you can build a passive income source that will allow you to regularly make money online. It's also worth noting that you can start making money sooner with affiliate marketing than the usual YouTube creator who is tied to the channel's predefined monetization route. YouTube monetization requires a minimum number of subscribers. But with affiliate links, you can start using them with your videos from day one. Are you comfortable being in front of the camera? You can easily create videos without being in them, but showing your face does increase credibility, especially when promoting offers or reviewing products. If you don't feel confident with your camera presence, you can try doing some animations or anything creative that will make you stand out, even if you're not showing your face. Is there a specific niche you are interested in? Most successful YouTubers have a specific format that caters to a particular niche. In affiliate marketing, it is important that you establish yourself in one niche to build your reputation as a trustworthy resource. When it comes to making video content, you also need to have enthusiasm, a lot of it, sometimes. Can you get other people excited about the products you are promoting? If you're passionate enough, you could easily pass on your enthusiasm to your audience. How to improve your affiliate marketing with YouTube? One of the great things about affiliate marketing on YouTube is that it's easy to get started. You don't need to be a technical guru to be able to get content out. Just start filming and get your content online. It takes time to build your YouTube channel into something successful, so the sooner you start, the better. You can incorporate your YouTube efforts into your other marketing strategies to boost traffic, awareness, and engagement. So, if you normally post on social media, start posting links to your YouTube videos and shorts. If you have an email list, let your audience know about newly posted or upcoming videos. You can even add videos to your blog posts or website. The most effective affiliate marketers are experts in one particular platform. So become a YouTube expert, but make sure you have a basic understanding of other social media platforms as well. To improve your expertise, make sure you read and understand all of YouTube's guidelines, and stay up to date with changes to the platform. Furthermore, regularly check what other YouTube channels or creators are doing and try to always stay on top of new trends. Pros and cons of YouTube affiliate marketing.
YouTube is the second most visited website in the world, according to SEMrush. An affiliate marketer who isn't on YouTube is as crazy as a business not being on Google. Let's just think about that statistic for a moment. YouTube has 2.6 billion monthly active users. Billions of hours of content are consumed every single day. If you're an affiliate marketer, why aren't you tapping into this huge resource? It might be because starting out on YouTube can seem daunting. Where do you start? Creating good videos can only be done by professionals, right? Dost any new chat room banya visit Karo Gye Google Parleko Flinusincum.